Okay, next we're going to take a look at container function. For a more in-depth explanation of some of the screenshots we're going to see, refer to the product setup for setting up your seed varieties. I'm assuming you've already performed the seed variety setup. We're just going to look at the seed variety setup as it pertains to container. So we're basically just going to focus on container setup. We're going to enter the layer tab here. We're going to select our work condition. We've got a corn work condition here. We're going to hit next, and we're going to verify our hybrid. We've already built that in a previous step, so we're just going to select that off the list. We'll hit next. We've already entered in our default application rate of 32,000 seeds an acre. We've got our min and max. We're just going to verify all of our settings. We've got the delta rate applied. But the package size we've obtained from our info tag off of our bulk container. And so we punched in our pounds per unit, our product density, our standardized 56 pounds per bushel for corn, and our seeds per pound we've read off of our tag as well. So we'll hit next. We're going to assign seed left to the left bulk bin. It may not be there for you already, so you might have to pick it off the list. Hit next. Our warning type, you can do a percent. I like to use value and just punch in 1 bag's worth of weight. So I'm at 30.7 pounds per bushel, so I know that the alarm's going to go off at about 1 bag of seed. So I hit next. We'll do the same thing for the right container. So we've got seed right, our variety, crop type, next. Assign the right bulk bin, it's already there. Our capacity, our warning value, it just copied what was on the left bin, so we're good to go. And that is the way to set up a container using the Pro 700 display. We can go back to the run screen now. Just take a look at run 2 and what this is going to look like on a run screen. We've got our left bulk bin. We can flush the container if we want. And we've got the time tracking feature turned on here. The time tracking feature can be disabled if you don't like to use it, but the time tracking feature basically allows you to place a mark on your map through the software. It keeps track of where you filled your container, how long it took to fill your tank. It's basically a productivity feature, and so if I'm going to go into to fill my seed tank, maybe I'm going to just add a partial amount. So I turn the timer on, basically enter my fill amount. Let's just say I'm going to put in 1,200 pounds. And once I'm actually done filling, I hit fill complete. My timer turned off. It basically placed a mark on my map through the software, so I can keep track of where I filled up, how long it took. And I'm just going to fill this one all the way up. Refill complete. If I don't like that time tracking feature, to simplify the container function, I can go into Toolbox, find the Container tab, and disable that time tracking feature. There's for the right bin. Let's go to the left bin, disable that one as well. Makes it a little bit easier, but if you want that productivity feature, you can turn it on. So here I'm just going to flush the container. Flush the container. If I want to refill them, of course it's not keeping track of how long it takes to refill or the location at which it was refilled, but Here I'm just going to refill the container to capacity, or like I say, if I just wanted to put in one box full or several bags, I can punch in a specified amount, and this number will drop throughout the day as I'm planting, and basically the alarm's going to go off once it hits the red bar. And of course I've got that set at 1 bag, so it's a handy feature. You know, of course we still have our seed bin sensor as well, and that'll tell us if the tank is getting low. But this one just kind of helps us monitor usage. It's kind of a handy feature.